Hey, what is up, guys? I'm a Blender coder, and this is gonna be your third part to how to use Python in Blender. Now, I'm just gonna get started, but I want to say something first. I am making a new playlist on how to code in Python in general. It's really simple. You should go check it out, and let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is go from Blender Render to Blender Game, and then from default to Game Logic. This will bring this stuff up. And then after that, I don't want to go too fast. What you do is you select the object you're going to have running the code, and I'm going to have this cube running the code, and I'm going to go add sensor. It's going to be an always sensor, and select these three dots right here. I don't think you have to, but just in case, yeah. And then add a Python controller. Connect those two, and then come over here to your text box, go to templates, Python, and then game logic simple, and this will bring up a simple game logic Python thing. And so we're just going to rename this to script.py for Python, and we are going to tell this always sensor to always run our script. So last time we covered if-else statements. That was pretty cool. Today let's cover functions. Yeah, let's cover functions. So you'll see that this is a function right here. How you make functions is you take this right here and you pretty much just say it like that. You can write a function outside of it, or you can put it inside the main function. I don't think you should though. So how you start a function is you come out here to the very first line of your indent scale. So it has to be on the same indent scale as this DEF, and then you write DEF for define. So we are defining our function, and let's just call this function what are we going to call this function? Let's just call this function add, and then then you add these two parentheses and this colon, and then this is where we tell it what to do. So before we tell it what to do, we're going to have to call our function. So you come down here and you write the name of the function and add these two parentheses. What calling the function does is it just tells it to run the function. It just tells it to do what the function says. So this is how you say it. You're defining a function, then you're naming it whatever you want, and this is how you say it's a function. Add with the two parentheses. You don't have to put add, you can name it whatever you want. And then this colon. So let's come over here to game properties. Let's add an integer, and then press this I button. What this I button does is it makes it so that it will come up right here when we play our game. And how you do that is you go to game and you say show debug properties. So you'll see if we press P, it'll show up right here. Can't see it. Here, I'll show you. Go over here to your camera and let's see, turn on mouse cursor right here. So P, play, and it's right here. So that's what this is. So let's just name this to thing. So in our add function, we are going to be adding 1 to thing. So you'll see if we come over here, thing is equal to 0. So in our function, we're going to say own, because right here we're talking about ourselves. So own ourself, and then we're going to put these two little square brackets. What those two little square brackets are is they're libraries. So they're going to be looking in ourself for they're going to be looking in our properties for whatever we write in here. So they're going to be looking at our properties for whatever inside these quotation marks. So you put these two quotation marks and you say the name of your property, so thing. So our function add is going to be looking for in our self's libraries for a thing right here, and we put it right here, and it's equal to 0. So if we say own thing will now plus equal 1. So then you'll see if we run it, nothing happens. Let's see why. Let's go to Window, toggle System Console, and says own is not defined. Oh, okay. I know what is happening. By the way, never close this down or it'll close down the program. What is happening is we defined own in here. We defined it only in this main function. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy these two things right here and we're going to put it inside this function too. So it's looking at our controller's owners, so this stuff right here, all this stuff, and now you'll see if we press P, it's going up by 1. So that is how you use functions in Blender. If you have any suggestions for another video you want me to make, leave it in the comment section below. Any questions, comment section below. Please like and subscribe if you like my series, and if you want to know how to make a video game, just go check out my other playlist. So, or if you want to know how to write Python like hardcore, yeah. That's about it. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.